think what I'm gonna do here is, that's a good girl. We're gonna do one, just pass through this stuff, see if she shows interest into all this weird crap. And then maybe try to do some, she don't care. I think in order to do this stuff, good girl. Let's see what she does here. Yeah, I want to get her, before I do weird stuff like this with leash pressure, I want to get her doing more normal work with leash pressure. All right, so we'll just put her through these weird little tight spaces. Ready? And sit. Good. So I wanted her facing that way. So last night, ready? Just hand motion and a little pat pat and a little bit of pressure. Uh-oh. Here, sit. We got a car going by now. Ready? Here, down. Looky. It's outside, right? It's right here, just a little pressure. A little bit of pressure. Come on. Uh-oh. Here, settle down. You're all right. There's a lot of shit going on. Try this another way. So I might just have to do inside. It's just hard with so many dogs. Come on. Oh. Good. Ready? Here. Right here. Remember last night? Come on. Here, let's try this. Maybe it's a little hovering. Come on. Here, sit. There we go. Ugh. Here you go. Look, come here. So she was pacing a lot inside, and then I got her on the bed, and I got her to lay down. Hey, right here. No, here. You gotta settle your brain down. Come on. Right here. There you go. So, look, there's not even anything going on. Hey. Right, let's do this. Here, right here. Right here. Come on. You're all right. Right, let's see. So let's get more leadership position, standing up. Sit. Good. Break. Well, let's get this out of the way. I mean, there's nothing going on. Up. And sit. Good. She's turning away, right? So let's walk it off. The birds chirping. So inside, super easy. Barely had to do any kind of pressure, and she laid right down. Right? Outside, it's a lot of shit going on, right? No. And let's see, I gave up on the laying down because it's not that important. However, getting on that bed until she settles down is a little, I think that last time I came off a little bit fast. All right. Good. There you go. So maybe I need a little walk off. Let's go up and sit. You got a bird, that's good. You got birds chirping and you got, I don't want to, I wasn't paying attention because I was rubbing my eye. Let's let her settle down a little bit on the bed. And break. Oh, hey, look, there's a hot dog from yesterday. Na, 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 na. I need the slip lead. It was dumb of me to forget it. Good. Break. So let's try it again. And sit. Good. Ready? Look. Here. No. Here. Lay down. The reason we want it down is because it really cuts their brain off. As in, makes them stop. Right. So let's do a little. She doesn't like that. She didn't do no Mally though. Here. Settle down. Right. So, right. So look, this is fully out and there's zero pressure on the collar. I messed up not bringing the slip lead. Right. We don't want her getting off just because she's freaking out. Good girl. Okay. So now let's do a little walk off. So I try to do the leg sweep, right? So it's a puppy thing. You sweep their legs out and they're like, oh, that's what I'm supposed to do. She was like, yeah. I think I've tried that on a couple of adult dogs and it's never worked. I think it's kind of strictly a puppy thing. So we're gonna forget about the downs until I want to get some straight sits. Let's see if we do it off of the bed. Ready, sit. Good. Let's see. Ready? Good. Right? So we needed no pressure. So she doesn't like doing it on the bed. Break. Right? So there, she just went with a hand motion. Right? Layla, sit. What are you doing? No? No? Good. Let's see. Ready? Good. Uh-oh. It's a weird spot. Ready? Come here. There's no pressure. Good. It's kind of a weird one. But there was no pressure. She just followed the hand. Okay. I should have made her get up. Or I should have said okay sooner. So let's see if this one's better. Is it the weird bed? Because she did it on a regular dog bed, not a cot. Ready, sit. Hey. Sit. Good. A truck just drove by. Ready? Come on. Little pressure. Uh-oh. There's something about the dog beds, right? Sit. Is it material? Ready? Come on. Come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's okay. You're okay, look. Here. Look. It's weird, right? She did perfect on the first one on the regular dog bed. So let's just do a bunch of walking on, right? We'll go back to this one. Just walk on, sit. Okay. Walk on, stand. Walk on, sit. Could be the different. Good. Right. Lower the expectations. I tried to go too high. Right. Here, let's do figure eights. Figure eights. Settle it down. I need the slip lead will help, I think. Or doing the martingale properly. I still feel like the slip leads are better. It's clearer for them. And when they have anxieties in their brain, pressure is better. Anyways, it slows that. Oh my God, what the hell's going on? There's another one I can use too. Good. Good. All right. Tried too much too soon. Let's give her a little, let's do a little, oh, there's that. I think she's over. All right. Did we push her too far? A little bit too much, girl? Huh? Did I expect too much? Did I expect too much? Let's see if I sit right here. Let's see when I sit down. Oh, let's see when I sit down. Right. Good girl. No, 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 no. Ready to go back? We're at 25 minutes. Good girl. Relax it down a couple seconds. I think maybe too much time is bad for her. Right. Is too much time bad for you? My ant bites. My ant bites that you gave me the other day. Oh, that's a good sniff of my hand. Here, let's go get some water, put you up. Get everybody else out. Do 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 da.